Hi guys, this is Nikki, lead vet tech with Apollo Pet Braces, and today I want to go over some of our supplements that are suggested and some good pain relief. So a lot of the patients that come in when I first talk to them are on a prescription from their veterinarian. Usually this is in the form of an NSAID like Rimadyl, which is carprofen, or meloxicam, Medicam, Previcox, something of that sort. So what I hear a lot is people wanting to know different, supplements or safer avenues to go long term. So what I suggest is keep your patient or your puppy on the prescription pain medication at least until about the second week of using the brace. Just because when we're first starting out with the brace, we're going to ask you to start doing some walking. And if they have not been using that leg fully, we are going to be using some muscles and have some stiffness and soreness that first couple weeks. So it's important to keep your puppy on the pain medication that was prescribed by your veterinarian until we get to that certain point. And then our vet techs can direct you on some safer alternatives that we recommend. So when trying a more natural approach, I like to use something like Dasiquin Advance with Boswellia or Adequan injections, and we'll go through those in a later video as well. But generally, NSAIDs are, long-term harmful, so we don't want to stay on those very long. They can cause liver issues and kidney issues if given more than like 8+ weeks. And so it's not something I would recommend leaving your puppy on for months and months at a time. It's more of a short-term relief to get the swelling and the inflammation down. Now, make sure that if you're giving a supplement and you've got a prescription from your vet, that you are getting advice from a veterinary professional when giving supplements, just because certain supplements can interact with each other, like willow bark, for example, which is in a lot of common aches and pains, supplements. It will interact with an NSAID. So if you're giving like Rimadyl and then you start giving willow bark, you can have an ulcer develop. So it's really important when giving supplements, check in with your vet techs, check in with your veterinarians, ask before giving it. There's a lot of advice going on around and online. Just make sure that you're double checking those. I've had a few patients that were overdosed on certain, supplements, and too much of a good thing can be bad. So, even glucosamine long-term and too high of a dose can cause some liver upset and things like that. Some good alternative supplements that we do suggest is things like CBD oils. Boswellia is great. Willow bark is okay for once we get past the swelling. It's a good pain reliever. But remember, willow bark is an aspirin. Aspirin can upset the tummy. So we don't want to give willow bark while there's any chance of swelling or an acute injury. So that's more of a chronic pain reliever. Also, there's green-lipped mussel, golden paste, glucosamines will help build cartilage. You can give bone broth, like 1 to 2 tablespoons per day. That will help build collagen, things like that. So please, again, ask us or ask a veterinary professional if you want to give a supplement. There's several that we recommend, and we have a supplement form on our website as well. So we can help you with those questions as they occur. So again, when choosing a supplement, choose a company that has been out long term. They're not as well regulated, and so sometimes switching brands or something like that can actually be harmful for your puppy's tummy, just because there's different ingredients. Like I know some have brewer's yeast in it, and some dogs react, or some are chicken and beef. So it's good to stick with your supplement and stay with the same one if it's working well for you. And again, you can ask us at any time if you have any questions. Thanks, and have a wonderful day. Bye.